2026 Mazda 3 is here, and it brings with it a subtle evolution in style, performance, and technology that continues to raise the bar for compact cars. Mazda has refined what was already one of the best-looking vehicles in its class, giving it sharper lines, updated lighting elements, and fresh color options that accentuate its sleek, flowing design. From the front, the new grille design feels more sculpted, giving the Mazda 3 a bolder presence. Paired with slimmer LED headlights and a cleaner lower bumper, the car looks more aggressive without being overly flashy. The hatchback version keeps its sporty edge with a slightly more angular rear, while the sedan remains elegant and timeless. Inside, the cabin has received a noticeable upgrade in both materials and tech. Soft-touch surfaces now cover more areas, and a new ambient lighting setup creates a calm, upscale atmosphere. The seats offer better support for long drives, and there's an optional red leather interior that really elevates the feel of the car. It's the kind of interior that makes you forget you're in a compact. Mazda's latest infotainment system sits at the center, with a new 10.25-inch screen now standard across all trims. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included, and the rotary controller remains for those who prefer tactile controls over touchscreens. The system is faster, smoother, and finally gets over-the-air updates, keeping it current without trips to the dealership. The 2026 model keeps the familiar 2.5-liter engines, but both have been slightly refined for smoother delivery and better fuel efficiency. The naturally aspirated version remains a solid choice for everyday driving, while the turbocharged variant now feels even more responsive, thanks to improved torque mapping. It delivers quick acceleration and smooth shifts, making city and highway driving equally enjoyable. Handling remains one of the Mazda 3's strongest traits. It stays glued to the road with precise steering and well-damped suspension that filters out bumps while maintaining a sporty feel. Whether you're on a twisty back road or stuck in traffic, the car feels balanced and confident. All-wheel drive is still available, adding extra assurance in bad weather. Mazda's attention to driver experience extends to safety. The 2026 model includes the upgraded iActive Sense suite with smarter adaptive cruise control, improved lane keeping assist, and a new traffic jam assist function. A driver attention alert system now watches for signs of fatigue, and a 360-degree camera adds peace of mind during parking and low-speed maneuvers. Noise insulation has also been improved, with thicker glass and added sound-deadening materials, creating a quieter ride. The result is a calm cabin that's perfect for long commutes or road trips. The optional 12-speaker Bose system has been retuned for better clarity and bass response, rounding out the premium feel of the interior. Rear. Seat space and cargo capacity remain competitive, though the hatchback continues to offer more versatility. Folding the seats down creates a flat-load floor, ideal for weekend getaways or grocery runs. USB-C charging ports and updated climate controls make the back seat more comfortable for passengers too. The 2026 Mazda 3 starts at just under $25,000 for the base model and can climb close to $35,000 fully loaded with the turbo engine and all the premium features. It's a strong value considering the driving experience, upscale design, and thoughtful technology packed into this compact. For anyone looking for a car that's stylish, fun, and refined, the new Mazda 3 should be at the top of the list.